I already have my mix as I showed you guys earlier. I just think it's a bit too thick, so I think I'm gonna add a leave-in conditioner, and then I'll add some oils in it too. So I'll just put a couple of drops. So from my previous CHÉBÉ video, a couple of people had said they didn't have access to the jet cream, so I decided to eliminate the jet cream step and just use leave-in oil and CHÉBÉ powder as I showed earlier in the video. And I must say this method is equally as effective as when I use the jet cream. You can see what my hair looks like. It's super soft, it's super moisturized, and this method saves me so much more time. It's also easier to apply. As you can see, I'm really working it in so that my hair absorbs it fully. You can see there's little to no residue. What I've come to really love about CHÉBÉ is its versatility. As long as you understand the basic idea of how CHÉBÉ works, then you are absolutely good to go. For me, I enjoy experimenting new and easier ways to apply my CHÉBÉ, and I love to share it with you guys. I've also experienced so many positives since I became consistent with my use of CHÉBÉ. My hair is so much stronger, my ends are so much healthier. I'm currently working on a CHÉBÉ wash and go video, and I'm so excited to show you guys, so be sure to look out for it. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next.